Greetings anatomy students, here's how to prep your fetal pig for dissection. What I've done so far is I have taken the specimen out of the bag and I've discarded the bag and the fluid and the wrappings that the fetal pig was in. So in order to make your incisions, you're going to want to secure your fetal pig to your dissecting tray. And so we're going to tie some strings around the feet of the pig and wrap it around your dissecting tray. The ridges that you see here are going to help to hold the string in place. So I've already cut the string into lengths for you, so you can just watch as I tie up your fetal pig. And you know, a simple knot is just fine. You don't have to make anything real fancy. So there's one string goes on the front foot, and then the second string is going to go on the back, like so. And then we're going to wrap the strings around the tray, around the bottom of it, and tie the other limbs. And so I'm going to lift this up, like so. Lift this side up, like so. And this is a lot easier if you have a partner that can hold on to this for you. So I usually just twist the second string around the foot a couple times and then make the knot. And you're going to have probably a lot of extra string here, which is fine. And then we'll do the other side. And then your fetal pig is going to be secure so that you can make your incisions safely. And we are done. There we go. And have a happy dissection, folks.